Welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through granting Trello access to storage on your Android device. Many users encounter issues when Trello cannot access files or media, and this video will show you exactly how to enable storage permissions. First, unlock your Android phone and locate the Trello app on your home screen. Next, press and hold the Trello icon until a menu appears. Then tap on App Info to open the application settings. Then scroll down and find the Permissions option, and tap on it to see the list of all permissions Trello can request. After that, click on Storage to manage how Trello accesses your device's files. Finally, select Allow Access to Media Only, which ensures Trello can access your photos, videos, and documents securely without giving full storage access. If this video helped, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.